10 toxic foods to avoid to protect your liver immediately. Welcome to our Over 50s Healthcare channel. Today, we're diving deep into the critical role of the liver and uncovering the products that can harm this vital organ. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll reveal the top 4 products to help restore and maintain liver function. The liver is not just any organ, it's the most crucial player in your body's digestive system, acting like a powerful filter for everything you eat and drink. Located on the right side of your abdominal cavity, just under the diaphragm, it's the largest internal organ. Every nutrient you consume hits the liver first, where it undergoes transformation. The liver maintains the constant composition of your blood, synthesizes bile, and plays a pivotal role in metabolism and detoxification, clearing out waste and toxins. Before we jump into what harms the liver, here's a quick reminder: if you find this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our health insights. Make sure your subscribe button turns to subscribed, and let's keep our livers healthy together. 1. Fatty foods. Indulging in these foods once in a while won't do much harm, but regular overconsumption? It really puts a strain on our internal organs. Our intestines and liver, in particular, bear the brunt of this dietary choice. High-fat diets can trigger inflammation in liver tissues, which is a leading contributor to severe health issues like liver cirrhosis and even cancer. These fatty foods also spike the levels of harmful cholesterol in our blood, setting the stage for heart and vascular diseases. So, what can we do to keep our liver and heart healthy? It's crucial to limit those high-fat meals and instead, include healthier fats in our diet. Think fish, nuts, and the goodness of olive oil. Let's make those smart swaps for a healthier life. 2. Red meat. While it's delicious, did you know that eating too much red meat can really put your liver through the ringer? That's because red meat is packed with saturated fats, which can bog down your liver's performance. This slowdown isn't just a minor hiccup, it can affect the health of other organs too. We all know proteins are the building blocks of our body, but loading up on too much protein, especially from red meat, can overwork even a healthy liver, leading to the creation of harmful toxins. So, instead of reaching for that steak, why not switch things up with leaner options? Chicken, turkey, and tuna are fantastic because they give you the protein you need without the heavy load of saturated fats. 3. Fried foods. Foods like French fries, burgers, and anything dunked in a lot of oil put a heavy load on your liver. And it's not just the oil. Many fried foods are breaded or mixed with dairy, adding even more strain on your liver and your gut. These foods can really take a toll, especially with the fats and other harmful compounds that form when food hits that hot oil. Eating these kinds of foods too often could spell trouble for your liver health. Let's keep our liver happy by cutting back on fried foods, or opting for healthier cooking methods when we can. 4. Carbonated drinks. Did you know that most of these bubbly beverages are loaded with refined carbs and sugars? That's right, and this sugary duo can really knock your liver and other organs off balance. Many of these drinks include corn syrup, a major culprit in weight gain and liver damage. Ever heard of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease? Yep, sweet sodas are often linked to it. And let's talk about diet sodas for a second. They might be low in calories, thanks to additives like aspartame, but they're also low in nutritional value. Worse yet, high levels of aspartame can mess with your liver's mitochondria and deplete its energy stores, leading to increased liver weight and other serious health issues. 5. Canned foods. Canned goods often pack a lot of sodium, which is great for flavor and preservation, but not so great for your liver. High levels of sodium can kickstart fibrosis, the beginning stage of liver scarring. That's serious stuff. This salt overload can also throw off your body's fluid balance, putting extra pressure on your liver. Whenever you can, go for fresh or minimally processed foods. They're generally lower in sodium and much better for your liver health. And if you must go canned, always opt for those labeled low sodium or no added salt to dodge those liver risks. 6. Sweets. While these treats are undeniably delicious, they come with a cost to our health, particularly our liver. These goodies are loaded with simple carbohydrates, including refined sugars, corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and a bunch of other additives that can really take a toll on our liver and other organs. Here's the scoop: because simple carbs only satisfy hunger briefly, they can lead us to overeat. This not only leads to weight gain but can put a massive strain on our liver, sometimes causing what's known as organ obesity. When craving something sugary, choose treats like ice cream made from natural cream and free from those extra flavor enhancers and taste boosters. 7. Salt and salty products. Did you know that just 100 grams of salt pack a whopping 3,000 milligrams of sodium? That's way over the daily recommended intake of just 2,000 milligrams for an adult. Excess sodium doesn't just affect our taste buds, it hits our kidneys hard, impairing their ability to function and messing with our body's water balance. This disruption can lead to issues in how our blood is filtered and how well our liver functions. Being mindful of our salt intake is key. It's all about keeping those numbers in check to ensure our organs aren't overwhelmed. 8. Canned fruits. While fruits are a fantastic source of nutrients, there's a twist when it comes to their canned versions. Canned fruits often come loaded with added sugars and corn syrup, which hikes up the fructose content significantly. Now, fructose is like a double-edged sword. In moderation, it's a useful energy source. But unlike glucose, which the body metabolizes directly, fructose is processed differently, placing a unique strain on the liver. When overconsumed, especially from sources like canned fruits, fructose can lead to a heavier workload for the liver, spike blood sugar levels, increase body acidity, damage tissues, and even contribute to obesity. Opt for fresh or frozen fruits instead of those swimming in heavy syrup. These alternatives keep the fructose levels in check and are much kinder to your liver. 9. Spicy spices. While they can bring life to any dish and offer some health benefits when used in moderation, going overboard with spices can actually put a strain on your liver. Excessively spicy foods make your liver work overtime, producing more bile to process them. But when too much bile builds up, it can clog the bile ducts. This not only leads to gallstones but can also contribute to fatty liver disease. If you have a pre-existing liver condition or are sensitive to spices, it's especially important to use them sparingly. Adding just a hint of spice can enhance your meals without overwhelming your liver. 10. Alcohol. We all know that a little drink here and there can be part of enjoying life, but moderation is key. Because our liver is the hero working behind the scenes to break down the alcohol we drink. When we overindulge, especially in a short period, we force our liver into overtime, seriously straining this vital organ. Mixing alcohol with carbonated drinks? It increases the workload on your liver even more. Regular heavy drinking can hamper your liver's ability to regenerate, diminishing its power to detoxify your body and increasing your risk of liver diseases. Drink responsibly and give your liver the time it needs to process alcohol effectively. Remember, maintaining liver health isn't just about cutting back, it's about making smart choices to support your liver's crucial detoxifying role. Now, we're shining a spotlight on the superstar foods that can help keep your liver in top shape. Let's dive into some of the best foods for your liver. Cruciferous vegetables. Think broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. These veggies are rich in glucosinolates, which help your liver produce enzymes that aid in toxin removal. Beetroots. These vibrant roots are packed with antioxidants and can boost liver function by purifying your blood and improving enzyme production. Nuts, especially walnuts, are high in omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, supporting natural liver cleansing. Garlic. Just a little garlic has the ability to activate liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. Turmeric. This spice not only adds flavor to your dishes but also supports efficient liver detox by assisting enzymes that actively flush out dietary carcinogens. Green tea. Loaded with antioxidants known as catechins, green tea supports liver function and helps reduce fat storage in the liver. Citrus fruits. Lemons, limes, and oranges are high in vitamin C, which aids the liver in breaking down toxic materials into substances that can be absorbed by water. Avocados. These are not only delicious but also rich in healthy fats, which help to improve liver health by controlling inflammation and enhancing detoxification pathways. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help maintain your liver health and improve its detox capabilities. Remember, a healthy liver means a healthier you. And that wraps up our discussion for today. On our channel, you'll find tons of interesting videos exploring the benefits and drawbacks of various fruits and vegetables, alongside insights into different diseases and their treatments. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future content. I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us bring more great content to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.